Hey, thanks for joining this episode of Our American Travel. This is actually the last video footage of our trip that we took last summer, and we are in Augusta, Georgia. The main reason we went to Augusta was to visit our sister and brother-in-law, my husband's sister and brother-in-law, and to visit our niece and her husband and their two sweet kids. So we just basically spent a day kind of driving around and looking at some of the highlights. Our tour guide was Scott, our brother-in-law, and we had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it, and it's just made us ready to travel more. You can see it's Christmas now, and that was July when we were in Augusta, and we're already starting to plan our trip this coming summer.
Wow, this is the last stop in our summer trip for 20 days and 19 nights into Pennsylvania and the Carolinas and down into Georgia and back to Arkansas. We had a blast. This is us traveling from Charleston back to Augusta. We're going to visit my sister and brother-in-law in their kind of temporary home there, and my niece and her husband and her family. We'll visit them as well. You're about to see the trailer that my brother-in-law and sister live in right now. They have a 2710 RV Passport. We're kind of jealous of the space they have. We'd like to get one a little bigger at some point. But anyway, there you see where they're living right now.
We got
Ellie, look.
you got Ellie with us here. Isn't it awesome? What a full back seat we have.
Hey, this is the home field of the Augusta Green Jackets, who are the low A affiliates of the Atlanta Braves. So if you want to catch a good game, which we would have been able to see one there. I don't think they were in town while we were there. And as we drive around this North Augusta Riverwalk area, the nice hotels, and just had some fun walking along the river, enjoying the company of those we were there to visit.
What do you want to call it? Yeah, the main thoroughfare, economic center of Augusta at one time, you know.
I'm not sure what's so interesting, but our grandniece seems to be enamored with something that her dad or her grandfather is showing her down the river there. So we enjoyed our trip, our walk along the river. Now we've made it to the downtown area of Augusta. In a moment you will see the statue of James Brown. We didn't really know that James Brown was lived in or grew up in Augusta. Also, while we were down there, we were able to take in a great restaurant called Nacho Mama's, and hopefully you'll see a little bit about our visit there.
Sure. Boy, I was waiting. Yeah, if you want to get out here,
Yes, we can go across the street and take a picture.
This used to be his home when he was a little boy.
Yeah, President Woodrow Wilson was the president.
Hallowed grounds of Augusta National. Cinderella's story. Cinderella story. He's got about 300 yards to go. He's got about a 7-iron.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Our American Travel. Travel. As always, we would love it if you would like and subscribe to our channel, and that'd just be awesome. Our next video is probably going to be when we went up to Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri to film some, to get some warranty work fixed, and we had a great breakfast, and we toured some of the travel trailers at AOK RV, because yeah, we're looking for a bigger trailer. Anything you'd like to see for us to do, just let us know in the comments. That would be awesome. Thanks.